I would like to present and critique 3 electronic learning resources that could be used to help teach a topic of trigonometry to Year 11 Mathematics Application level class. All 3 resources are linked to Western Australian Curriculum Mathematics Application course, Year 11 syllabus, topic 221, Trigonometry of the right angle. The first resource is a YouTube video that focuses on SOHCAHTOA. It's very easy to access, it's for free. The video is nice and catchy. The presenter embedded the learning process in a catchy song with the use of animation and different colors. It helped him create different emphasis for different trigonometric functions. The song has a nice beat to it, which helps you to memorize the word itself. However, at no time does he explain what the acronym itself means, and not enough time is given to geometrical analysis of SOHCAHTOA. There is also an assumption of prior knowledge. If you are not aware of what SOHCAHTOA is, you'll struggle to understand what it's all about. There is not enough emphasis is made that SOHCAHTOA can only be applied to the right angle triangles. Also, it doesn't have enough working examples and ways to assess your understanding. The second resource is a website called Math is Fun. The site is very easy to access and it's for free. It explains what the actual word SOHCAHTOA means. A very clear explanation about the right angle triangles with a good illustration of the sides of the triangle, like hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent sides. Colorful illustrations are provided to create emphasis for different concepts. However, there is not enough emphasis that SOHCAHTOA applies only to the right angle triangles. It provides with one working example, but there are no problems with answers are available for the students to test for their understanding. The third resource is an electronic PDF document. The site is easy to access and it's for free. This document provides lots of clearly set out and broken down information about the trigonometry for the right angle triangles and how to calculate it. It provides ratios for sine, cosine and tangent for standard or common triangles. Most importantly, this resource emphasizes how to use a calculator to determine the ratios and angles. It also teaches the topic of finding an angle when the trigonometric ratio is known. The negative aspects are no color to break the information down, there is no strong emphasis that SOHCAHTOA can only be applied to the right angle triangles. In fact, they don't use this acronym at all. It provides with one good workout step-by-step example, but no problems are given to test for your understanding. I have created my own learning resource to teach the same topic, trigonometry of the right angle triangles, SOHCAHTOA. This is a topic number 221 and comes from WA Curriculum Application course Year 11 syllabus. My site is well organized and links to the objectives of WA Curriculum. This is a website that clearly explains that SOHCAHTOA is a helpful mnemonic for remembering the definitions of the trigonometric functions sine, cosine and tangent. It clearly states that the application of SOHCAHTOA relates to right angle triangles. I use different colors to break down the information and create an emphasis for different trigonometric concepts. A person with no prior knowledge about SOHCAHTOA will be able to follow the topic as I'm keying the reader in. I provide a well-detailed example with solution. The site provides ratios for sine, cosine and tangent for standard or common triangles for a quick reference. I think it's important to emphasize the use of calculator for determining the trigonometric ratios as well as for determining the angles, because that's what we use in real life. We use calculators and students need to know how to use them. It has been incorporated into the website. According to John Harty, high-impact, evidence-based teaching strategies include worked examples, teaching core and subject-specific vocabulary, and visual perception, which have all been incorporated into my resource. And finally, there is an assessment at the end to check for understanding. It is an interactive decoding the word activity, what holds the sun up in the sky. According to Harty, assessments have an important role for the students in learning and developing their understanding.